Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to rename the server 2025 edition. So I am renaming the computer name of server 2025. So I need to right click on the start, click on system. And if I wanted to rename the computer name from the device name, which is shown here in blue color. So I wanted to change this name. I can rename the PC. I can click here and I can enter the name. Since I wanted to convert this server 2025 as a domain controller, I will use this as DC mars-sys DC01. And so it is asking me to reboot. So I'll click on restart later. In case if you wanted to rename the PC or rename the computer, I need to click on advanced system settings. I can also choose computer name from here, and you will be able to rename the computer name from this option as well. So the computer name has already taken, but we need to reboot the server. So what I will do is I will right click and shut down or restart. I will select restart, continue. Server is being restarted. So once the server is restarted, we should be able to see the new name which we have given. I will log into the computer and we'll use command prompt. Select the command prompt. I can enter host name. You can see the name has been changed. I can come to system and we'll be able to see the new name which has been given. So this is the new name which has been taken into effect.